Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Volvo S40 British touring car, 1997 Brands Hatch winner in 1/24th scale by NUNU. So you can see here it's an officially licensed kit. This is a really new release. You can see pictures here below are from the trial model with the detail parts. I'll talk to you about those later. Some information there. Same picture, and some information on here, including recommended colours. Let's have a look inside. So you can see this kit was purchased from BOAB Models. Thank you very much. And in there, they've got some other information about things that they sell. And they've also given you a couple of little colour swatches. Get 10% off at BOAB Models using the code BOAB10. Terms and conditions apply. So you can see we've got instructions. Oh, got a chrome sprue there, white sprues. Another white sprue or two, another white sprue, some wheels, body, tyres, and clear sprue, colour marking information, and in here we've got some decals and window masks. Volvo were founded in Gothenburg, Sweden in 1927. Their name comes from Latin and means I roll. Volvo's early forays into motorsport was largely in rallying, and their rugged 444 won the European Rally Championship in 1958. In the 1980s, the turbocharged Volvo 240 found success in touring cars. The 300-plus horsepower Flying Brick won the 1985 European Touring Car title. In the 90s, Volvo ran several successful cars in the British Touring Car Championship, notably the Estate 850, which was a fan favourite. Aerodynamic rules would make it uncompetitive, however, and the Swedish team, now run by Tom Walkinshaw Racing, changed over to standard saloons. This S40, the S for saloon, with the great Swedish driver Rickard Rydell, won its first race at Brands Hatch in 1997. That's the car represented in this kit. In 1998, they improved further, and Rydell won the championship. Rydell would go on to win the 2011 Scandinavian Touring Car Championship also, although this time driving with Chevrolet. So we'll start with the instructions inside here. Starting with the interior, bucket seat, dashboard. So this one is right-hand drive. Roll cage, door cards. Some detail in the undercarriage, although there's no engine in this. Detail in the undercarriage and there as well. They're adding the bumpers to the bodywork. Windows. And you've got the rear wing and the bumper, wing mirrors and so forth. And there's the body work going on there. It's interesting about the order here because when I was doing the Audi, you had to put the wheels on first because they wouldn't fit inside the wheel arches. Got a coloured version of it here, which is much more useful. So we've got Rickard Rydell here, and you've got the details about all the different parts on there and the decals. So you can see this smaller one here. It's like a skid plate. Got the seat, no moulded seat belts on that, but a bit of detail on the back. Some of the front suspension, steering wheel, and disc brakes. This one you can see got some interior detail there, including the firewall at the back, undercarriage, things like the engine. Rear bumper, I think that's the wing, yeah that's the wing, and door cards over here. All good, no flash. Sprue next, so yeah, very spindly parts on here. So we've got roll cage and a windscreen wiper. It's got some little boxes there, that might be the battery. Keypad and focus. Got the mirrors, got some more kind of suspension parts. These very small clips and what looks like the exhaust and things like, I think that's the aerial and pedals. So yeah, very small parts on that sprue. So yeah, another sprue here, more medium size. We've got the interior, got a kind of skid plate, got front diffuser, dashboard. It's quite a standard looking dashboard actually. Front bumper. Might be the handbrake there, or the gear shifter. Some vents. Some more dashboard parts. Part of the undercarriage and the exhaust system. Okay, so some more parts here. I'm not going to remove the clear parts from here because I don't want to get fingerprints on them. They seem to be very crisp. Got a bit of sort of frosting on the rear ones there. And yeah, things like the heated strips. It's good. And of course these have window masks. Chrome sprue here. So you can see that's for the radiator, mirrors, and then the interiors for the headlights and the rear lights. Wheels, these are all for the same. Good, with a little centre locking wheel nut. And I'm not going to be removing the tyres or the poly caps. Don't want to lose them, but you can see these are all just slicks. There we are. I think they were Michelin's. Okay, and then we've got bodywork here. Yeah, quite distinctive shape of a late 90s Volvo. Bit less angular than the cars from the 80s, and not an estate car. You can see little clip points here, and you've got moulded in bonnet clips at the front. Little button there. So yeah, some little support parts there you'll need to remove. But yeah, nice, no flash, and as far as the mould line's concerned, I think they've done a pretty good job. Yep, it looks to me like they might have actually moulded all of them into the panel lines of the car. So you might find that they're a little high, but in actual fact, I don't think there's any sanding to be done on this. That's great. That's great design. And then finally, we've got all the decals. Now one of them stayed in. You can see we've got a little chrome sticker there for the Volvo badge on the radiator. That's very nice. Obviously be leaving that till the end. Got this one, which is, I don't think it's carbon fibre, but they're black anyway. One which is very nice and colourful. S40 there, Auto Trader with that distinctive BTCC 90s font. There's decals there, got like things like Reebok. And you see there TWR. So we're going from one TWR car to another one. And there we are, very nice. Blue seat belts there. And then of course we've got livery decals. So you might need a lot of setting solution to help with this. But yeah, distinctive Swedish yellow and blue there to represent. This is the sun visor at the front, and it's actually translucent. Finally, you've got window masks. So you can see you've got interior and exterior for the front and rear windows, and you've got the side windows as well. That's great. Nice to see that that is in more and more kits these days. Now there's also the optional detail up parts set. That comes with an extensive photo etch fret, seat belts and a radio aerial. You can see the full range of photo etch parts here. It also comes with a wide range of carbon and Kevlar decals for all parts of the car, and you can see some of them demonstrated here, although not the seatbelts for some reason. I won't be using them this time, but just good to know that they are available if you want to go that bit further. So there we are, there is the Volvo S40 British Touring Car Championship entrant previewed on my channel. Let me know what you think down below. Have you built one of these? Would you like to build one of these? Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon.